Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh ya guys. Balik lagi bersama YouTube Muzakiralfadhil ya guys. Ya, ini masuk barang baru, kita beli di online ya guys, di Shopee kalau nggak salah. Ini mesin cukur rambut merek Sonar yang waktu itu kita pesan 1 minggu yang lalu ya guys. Ini modelnya, kalau nggak salah ini harganya kalau nggak salah ya guys sekitaran 80 ribuan kalau nggak salah ya guys. Ya, ini kita unboxing juga ya guys. Biar kita tahu apa aja isi yang kita dapatkan. Ada gunting, ada sisir, ada juga yang tentunya alat mesin cukur dan alat-alat untuk mengukur ukuran untuk menyukur rambut ya guys. Dan ada juga dikasih minyak biar lebih halus dan lebih licin pisau untuk mata pisaunya guys. Dan ini surat-suratnya guys, tapi dengan bahasa Inggris, kita juga nggak tahu apa ya. Ya, langsung saja kita guys, langsung kita eksekusi. Caranya akan dipraktekkan oleh The Power of Emak-emank ya guys. Silahkan menonton. Maaf juga background belakangnya nggak bagus karena kita mengikamnya di rumah ya guys. Ini coba dengan keponakan kita, anak kecil guys. Selamat menonton.
Way back a year ago, I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. back a year ago. I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place, off the liquor that we chase. Casamigos to the face, baby I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. She got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, Casamigos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
Ganteng nih anak bang, tapi agak sedikit tidak ganteng gitu. Ininya. Oke? Bejak baik.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic.
Ya, ini udah selesai guys. Tahap akhirnya walaupun nggak bagus-bagus sekali ya. Ya, untuk pemula bolehlah, untuk emak-emak. Dan ini akhirnya guys. Ya, sekian. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jangan lupa like and subscribe ya guys.